6 утра, разбитая душа.
Mr. Song Gi-yun has passed away.
Твои обещания.
Before he died, he left these things for you, Ka-young.